Hello, in today's video, we are going to go over the quick settings in Gmail. So first and foremost, to find the quick settings, we are going to click on the setting wheel, and there we have it. We will have our quick settings. What do we find in the quick settings? First of all, we are going to have the density, either default, comfortable, or compact, for you to decide what you like. Second of all, what we are going to have is going to be the theme of the settings. If we want to have a white background, or from there, if we click on View All, we can define the color that we want for our background or a picture through scrolling here, and we can find further images in the More Images. Third of all, what we are going to find in the quick setting, it's going to be the inbox type, meaning what kind of inbox do we want? If we want to customize it, we want to have the important messages first, the unread messages first, starred messages first, or if we want to have a priority inbox, which can be customized, or if we want to have multiple inboxes, which can also be customized. Fourth of all, we are going to have the reading path, meaning if there's going to be a cross section in our Gmail for a reading purposes. We can have no split, a right of inbox, or a below of inbox kind of approach. And then last but not least, if we want to have email threading, meaning that it will gather all of the emails of the same topic together, either conversation view or not conversation. And that is the quick settings in Gmail. Thank you very much. Have a good day.